Want to send a message later without having to remember it? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to schedule messages with just a few taps. Start by opening the chat of the person you want to message in your messaging app. Now type your message in the text box like you normally would, whether it's a birthday wish, a reminder, or something important you want to send later. Once your message is ready, instead of tapping the send button, press and hold it. After a second, a menu will appear giving you the option to schedule the message. You'll see a calendar and clock. Use these to choose the exact date and time you want the message to be delivered. After selecting your preferred time, tap on Schedule or Send Later. Your message will now be saved and automatically sent at the time you set. No need to open the app again. And that's it. A super helpful feature for planning ahead and staying organized. If this tutorial made your life easier, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more time-saving tips.